Hi there, this is George Kosch, and this is a presentation of Call Loop 2. If you are using Call Loop 1, you can simply upgrade to Call Loop 2. There's no cost, and all of your triggers and things should carry over. So if you're new to Call Loop and you just signed up for Call Loop 2, I'm going to make it very simple. This is a very easy program to use because you don't need to click on anything in here at all except for this button that says Triggers on the left menu. And you can see I have a bunch of them created here, but I'm going to show you how to create a brand new one. It's really easy now. All you do is you click on New Trigger, and the app that you select is all the time going to be custom. And then here on the next line, you're going to click Voice and Live Answer, and then click Add Audio. Now the thing about audio is you can now record right from your computer. And that will be a welcome greeting that we've already created for you, which I will show you shortly. And you can just read that off, or you can make up your own audio, and then it will be added to this list. So all you have to do is when you see it on this list, you just click the plus, and it will add it here as live answer. Don't worry about anything else except for voicemail. Click that, add the same audio. So you go and you would just click on the audio that you want to leave in voicemail. Excuse me, it might be different. It's up to you. And then when you've send from, you'll have a toll-free number here. Add that, and then create trigger. Don't select add anything else. This is all you need, and then you create the trigger. I'm going to cancel this now since I've got so many already created. You can change the triggers anytime that you want. Up here, there's a details and an edit button. So you can go in and edit the trigger by clicking that. Also, what we need for Worldprofit now is simply one thing. Click over here and you'll see three little dots. Click on the dot and say copy webhook. And of course, make note of what you called your call loop. You can change these anytime you want. Now we go back to Worldprofit, and we're going to go back to our prospect manager and click on call loops. And this is even easier. All you have to do is give it a name and enter the call loop hook here. So you call this one call to sell something, whatever it is you want, and add in whatever you copied and pasted. Leave it exactly as you got it. Okay, you don't have to change this URL. Click enter call loop, and you'll see it's entered in here. So now you want to use this to call people. So let's say that you have 5 or 6 of them in here. How do we phone somebody? How do we get the system to phone your prospect? That's also very simple. All you do is you click on the home button, pick the person that you want to call, click on the view, make sure that they have a home phone number in. There must be a phone number here. All of our leads that we sell have phone numbers. Anybody that you put in there, as long as they have a phone number in the home phone work area, this will work fine. Click on phone using call loop system. You will see that you can send this one out, start training, or the one that I just made, which was a test one, call using call loop. And that's all you have to do. If you need to know what to say in the call loops, all you have to do is click on call loops again up here on the top menu, scroll down, and you'll see all kinds of call scripts that you can use here. Feel free to modify these or use ChatGPT in our AI area, which you can get to when you go back to the main page that you log into. And you can have these rewritten, make them better, or start from scratch and ask ChatGPT what to do, what's the best call script, and tell it to keep it under 50 or 60 words. And you just record those and load them. If you have any problem with any aspect of this, fill out a support form and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I might even do a video for you to help. Okay, thank you.